We have people on the ground already. One of them, a lot of us got recruited by the CIA after the plant went down.
Chris Hansen, I'm being tortured right now by these government microwaves for hours and hours and hours right in the movie theater.
Look, once we make the bus to Malta,
They just made me scream out because of the torture. They're just got these focused on the left side of my brain, and they're doing it non-stop. All these people are leaving.
You seem like you're good parents, or good whatever you're trying to be. Just lucky to have you.
All these people just left out of the movie theater, and I'm still being beamed in the left side of my head. Right now,
we're almost there.
They've been doing it since this morning. It's now almost 3:55 p.m. and I'm still being brutally tortured by these government microwaves targeting me on my brain. And they're doing it because I'm getting housing. I got a housing appointment tomorrow. It's all in conjunction with housing again.
You must be confusing us with somebody else.
It's great.
Today's my daughter's birthday.
I mean, sometimes you meet your heroes and they disappoint you, but he's exactly the way you want him to be. I mean, such motility of thought. It's incredible. I was trying to be a fan with it. Well, I know that's sarcastic, but honestly, not enough. Oh, please, happy. So Bison bought this land for the amber deposits back in the 90s, but we've managed